Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have All Father's Chili. First up, in a pan with a couple tablespoons of oil, you want to add about one onion that's been diced up. And then you want to add 2 pounds of ground beef. And then basically you just want to cook this and then drain it. And then we're going to be getting ready for the crock pot. And then you want to add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. And yes, this can did not want to cooperate. Then you want to add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. And then you want to have a 15-ounce can of chili beans. And this is the only beans that we don't drain. Trust me, we have others coming. And then a 15-ounce can of light kidney beans, a 15-ounce can of dark kidney beans, and a 15-ounce can of pimento beans. Basically, I just drained them in a colander and added them to the chili. Again, the type of beans isn't really set in stone. And now you want to add 1 bottle of chili sauce. Again, if for whatever reason you don't like pimentos, use black beans. If you don't like kidney beans for some reason, you can use navy beans. Just basically, you want about 60 ounces worth of beans. Okay, and then we want to add 1 green pepper that I've chopped up and 2 stalks of celery that I've chopped up. Okay, now you want to add about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of beef stock. And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of chili powder, a tablespoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, and a tablespoon of butter after you give this nice good old-fashioned stir. As you can see here, there's our spices being added. And then basically the last thing is you just want to give this a good old stir around, make everything, make sure it's incorporated. And then you want to cook this on about medium for about 4-ish hours. If you want to cook it for longer, then turn it on low and go for something like 6 to 8 hours. Entirely up to you. All right, we'll see you at the finished product. Alrighty, and that's really it. In a bowl, you can serve it with a bit of cheese or some crackers or however you like. I think I served this with a little bit of French's fried onions. There you go. And that's it. All Father's Chili. Done.